forget, we will surpass 151, we will surpass 250. And predominantly, God's grace, touch wood, they've given the good deliverance of the governance. The governance model that was put in place was never seen before. And while I could do all that, nevertheless, 1.5 years of your effort. 1.5 years of your effort, trying to streamline, trying to bring in more efficiency into the system that we are already in, helped us achieve this target. If this number was on your plate,